प्यारे बच्चों, today we will discuss next part of the computation of state transition matrix, that is by series summation method. First one was the computation of state transition matrix by Laplace inverse method. This is the second method. So in this method, this is the basic formula in which we use summation of few terms. Suppose, for an example, A is given and you have to find out S.T.M by summation. So this is the summation. To find out, first you have to determine all these terms. 1, 2, 3, 4. At least 4 terms are required. This is an infinite series and you have to calculate all individual terms. So what is identity matrix for this? This is 2 cross 2 matrix. So this is 1 0 0 1. A is given. So next term is this. You have to use this t multiplied by 0 1 minus 8 6. Then you have to calculate all these terms. A square and a cube. So after multiplication of this, A cross A means you have to find out this, and you can use product of matrices. So A square for this is, after computation, you get minus 8 minus 6. This is 48 28. Similarly for other terms, this is 48 28 minus 224 minus 120. So these are terms. Obviously we are required to find out this term, a square t square by 2. So you have to multiply by this term. Similarly for here, you have to multiply by t cube upon factorial 3. So this is the factorial 2. So here you can multiply this by t cube upon factorial 3. So these are terms. You have to simply add all these terms to get the summation. So very simple method is there. After summation, what is the term? E to the power 80, which is the transition matrix. You have to use all terms. That is, first term is I, means 1 0 0 1, plus second one, that is 0 t minus 80, and this is minus 60, plus you have to use this term. So this is minus 8t square upon 2 Factorial 2 is 2. This is the next one is minus 6t square upon 2. This one is the 48t square upon 2. Next one is 28t square upon 2 plus next term is this one after calculation. This is factorial 3. Factorial 3 means 6. So this is 48 upon 6 p cube. Next one 28 upon 6 t cube. Next one minus 224 upon 6 p cube. And this one is minus 120 upon 6 p cube. So this is the summation, and after adding we will get the state transition matrix. So rule is very simple. Obviously this is infinite series, so other terms are also there. So we can write the state transition matrix is given by, so find all terms here. So 1 plus 0 minus 8t square by 2 plus 48 upon 6t cube. This is the first term. Second term is 0 plus t minus 6t square by 2 plus 28 upon 6t cube. Other terms are also present. So this is the second. Here third term 0 plus this term, then this term, then this term. So for this third one you can write 0 minus 80 plus 48 upon 2t square minus 224 upon 6 t cube. Next one is, so this is the first term, this is the second term, this is the third term, and here for last fourth term 1 minus 60, then plus this term plus this term. So add all these terms 1, 2, 3, 4, and further for other terms. So this is 1 minus 60 plus 28 upon 2t square plus this one, that is minus 120 upon 6 t cube. So this is the state transition matrix. This is the state transition matrix for given problem. You can simplify all these terms. So this is the method to find the state transition matrix by using series summation method. So rule is very simple. First write formula, then calculate all individual terms used in formula, then add all those terms. You will get the state transition matrix. So this is the method. We can take one more example to understand the concept. Now we are taking another example. This is a 3 cross 3 matrix. 2 minus 2 3 1 1 1 1 3 minus 1. Find S.T.M. So rule is very simple. Calculate all terms. First required terms are a square. When you will multiply this, you will get 531 423 4 minus 2 7 and a cube is 14 minus 4 17 13 3 11 13 11 3. After calculating all these terms, we have to calculate state transition matrix by using this formula. This is the factorial 2, factorial 3, etc. So after addition, basically I is given by I is simply can write all these terms here. This is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0. This is the identity matrix for 3 cross 3 plus 80, that is 2t minus 2t 3t. This is t t t 3t minus 1. This is 3t plus a square, that is 5t square upon 2. Here 3t square by 2. Here t square by 2. In this row 4t square by 2. This one 2t square by 2. And this one 3t square by 2. Then for this row 4t square by 2 minus 2t square by 2 and 7t square by 2 plus one more term of this a cube t cube upon factorial 3. So you can use here another term here as, here you can use, this is t cube upon factorial 3. So you can multiply it by t cube upon factorial 3, that is 6. So this is added here plus a cube t cube upon 6. This whole term is added. After adding all these terms, you will get the state transition matrix. The final answer is, after collecting all terms, the answer is like this. first term, this addition of all first terms. That is 1 plus 2t plus 5t square upon 2 plus 14 upon 6 t cube. So this is first term. Here minus 2t plus 3 by 2 t square minus 2 by 3 t cube. Here third one is 3t plus t square by 2 plus 17 upon 6 t cube. Similarly so this is for first row. For second row, 0 plus t plus 4 by 2t square plus next. So here you can write t plus 2t square plus 13 by 6 t cube. So this is the first term, this is the second term, and this is the term. Similarly for here first term, by adding all these terms, 0 plus t plus 4 by 2t square plus next term. Similarly for next term, 1 plus t plus 2t square by 2. So here next term is 1 plus t plus t square plus t cube by 2. So this is the next term. Next term is 0 plus t plus this one. So this is simply t plus 3 by 2 t square plus 11 by 6 t cube. And for next row, 0 plus t plus this one. So this is the t 2t square plus 13 by 6 t cube. Next term is 3t minus t square plus 11 by 6 t cube. And for last term, this is the last term, 1, then we have to multiply by t here. Next, plus this 7t square by 2. So after adding all terms, here is the last term, 1 minus t plus 7 by 2 t square plus half t cube. So this is state transition matrix. So this is the method to find the state transition matrix. So this is all about state transition matrix. There are two methods to compute state transition matrix. First one is by using Laplace inverse method, and second one is by series summation method. And this topic is important. Now you can note one problem as assignment. Question is, obtain here if A is given 0, 1, 0, 3, 0, 2, minus 12, minus 7, minus 6. Find S.T.M using First, Laplace inverse method. Laplace method. This is also called Laplace method. Second one is by summation. So this is the question. This is for practice. You can note answer for this. Answer is so the answer of this problem. You can note. So for this problem, answer is because this is a 3 cross 3 matrix, so answer is 4.5 e to the power minus t minus 6 e to the power minus 2t plus 2.5 e to the power minus 3t. This is the first term, and second term. So this is the first term. Here, second term is 2.5 e to the power minus t minus 4 e to the power minus 2t plus 1.5 e to the power minus 3t. And here we have third term. Third term is written here. Third term is for this third term e to the power minus t e to the power minus 2t plus e to the power minus 3. So this is the first row. Similarly for second row, minus 4.5 e to the power minus 3 plus 12 e to the power minus 2t minus 7.5 e to the power minus 3t. This is the first term. Second term is minus 2.5 plus 8 e to the power minus 2t minus 4.5 e to the power minus 3. And here third term is third term minus e to the power t plus 4 e to the power minus 2t minus 3 e to the power minus 3t. So this is the third term. And last row, minus 4.5 e to the power minus t minus 2t here second term is minus 2.5 4.5 e to the power minus 3t. This is so this is the answer for this problem. Obviously this is the answer for Laplace inverse method. Then we will use series expansion method. All these terms have their own expansion, e to the power minus t, e to the power minus 2t and e to the power minus 3t. After summation you will get a series. Similarly for here, all these three terms, e to the power minus t, minus 2t and minus 3t, all these three terms will contribute their own terms, and when they are added you will get a series. So This is all about computation of S.T.M. Thank you for today.